Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the version of Windows installed on your PC. So you know exactly which build and edition you are running. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the Run dialog. Normally press on your keyboard Windows plus R together. It will open the Run window on the left sidebar, or you can click on this Start Up menu and type here Run. Just open it, and then normally you have to type here WinVer. Just type. Now press on Enter button. And that's it. A small window called About Windows will pop up. Here you will see your Windows version like Windows 10 or Windows 11, the build number, and the edition. On the other hand, there is another way via settings. Just normally click on the start menu and normally choose settings option. And then you have to choose system and then choose about. And there is another option to see all of the details about your PC. So that's it. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Mr. Techfox for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.